If you've ever wondered whether you can ban someone on Discord without joining the server, the short answer is no. You cannot ban a user from a Discord server unless you are actually in that server and you have the proper moderation permissions. Discord keeps server moderation tools inside the server itself, so you need access before you can take any action. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials like this. Now, if you are a server moderator or an admin, here's how you do it the right way. First, join the Discord server where the user is a member. You need to be inside that server in order to access the moderation options. Once you're in the server, look for the member list on the right side of the screen or find one of the user's messages in a channel. If you're using the member list, you can scroll through and locate the person you want to remove. If you're using a message, simply hover over their message so you can access more options. Next, right-click the user's name. This opens the moderation and user options menu. From that menu, click ban. If you're doing it from a message, you may need to open their profile first and then select the ban option from there. After that, Discord will ask you to confirm the ban. At this stage, you can usually choose whether to delete recent message history as well, depending on your server settings and permissions. Once everything looks correct, confirm the ban and the user will be removed from the server. That's the main point here. You can't ban someone on Discord without being in the server, and you must have the right permissions to do it. If you are a moderator or admin, the process is simple once you're inside the server and using the proper tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips, fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.